Introduce highlight features or overview for MOOKEENONE Upgrade Power Motherboard, Charging Port Board. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview are include. Specially fits for JBL Charge 3 version GG speaker. The reliable charging motherboard is made of high-strength PCB material, has good wear resistance and high temperature resistance, is not easy to deform or break during use. This power charge module has a built-in soft start function to prevent malfunctions caused by excessive inrush current during startup. Nice replacement for your broken/damaged speaker charging port, make it fresh again. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.